Hello, I have a big problem, and the problem is about this lamp. So every time I lay in my bed, there's this lamp beaming light at me, and I don't want to get up. So I began wondering what could I do to switch off the light without getting out of bed. So I started to cook something up with following ingredients. At first we need an A3 Tasmota wireless LAN socket, and then we need an Arduino microphone module. Also we need an ESP32 with the wireless LAN adapter. And then we need 4 female to female jumper wires so we can connect everything. Let's start with connecting the ESP32 to the Arduino microphone adapter. So at first go to your board and hold it like this, and then look for the port 034. This connection transmits the data, and plug it in. Then take your ESP again and look for 3v3 and GND. Then first take the GND wire and plug it into G on your microphone adapter. This completes the circuit, and then take the 3v3 to plus, and this provides the energy which is needed. To set up your Tasmota, you have to plug it in, then click on Wi-Fi, Others, and there should be a Wi-Fi that's named Tasmota minus and then some numbers. Then click on that. There you give your Wi-Fi informations, the name and the password. Then you get an IP address, copy that IP address and put it in your search bar in a browser, and then connect with your Tasmota and you're finished. Let's start with the programming. If you want the code, I link it below in the description. But I will describe the code to you. At first, I included some important libraries. Then I set some Wi-Fi network and the password for the Wi-Fi network and some constants. So the constant in threshold is not the 600 as mine for everyone. So you have to try which your perfect threshold is. Then in the setup function, I connected the Wi-Fi. Then in loop, the ESP checks if the mic value is greater than the threshold, or if it's smaller than the threshold. So then it can decide if the Tasmota, if it should send a signal to the Tasmota to turn the light on. And then the command to the Tasmota is in the void send Tasmota command function, and that's it. Now plug in the Tasmota, then the lamp, and give the ESP a power supply. Let's test it. Imagine you are very tired and going to bed. Sometimes it worked, sometimes it doesn't, but also you can use it as a remote, and I think that serves the job. Good night.